दुनिया का इतिहास पूछता, रोम कहाँ यूनान कहाँ, घर घर में सुबह अग्नि जलता, वह उन्नत ईरान कहाँ। दीप बुझे पश्चिमी गगन के, व्याप्त हुआ बर्बर अंधियारा, किंतु चीर कर तम की छाती, चमका हिंदुस्तान हमारा। शत शत आघातों को सहकर, शत शत आघातों को सहकर जीवित हिंदुस्तान हमारा, जग के मस्तक पर रोली सा, शोभित हिंदुस्तान हमारा, शोभित हिंदुस्तान हमारा। A very happy 75th Independence Day to each and everyone. So today's topic is Young Vision for Bharat. Bharat, India, Jamudweep, Aryavrat, Nabhi Varsha, Hindustan and many more. Bharat had been a land of wonders. The poem recited in the beginning refers to the victorious piece of land on this earth, that is our Bharat, and bringing out true meaning of its one of the name, that is Nabhi Varsha. Nabhi is a Sanskrit word meaning navel, referring to center, and in globe Bharat appears to be in the navel or as the center of the earth. The poem was written by Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji, and the speech begins like this. Bharat, symbolizing unity in diversity, had been always rich in its culture and its heritage. A country with its golden past and courageous countrymen who sacrificed their everything for their country, and they never even once thought about their lives, because they always considered this nation to be their Bharat Mata, and they always did their seva because they considered it as their dharma. So, according to me, being the youth of this nation, education plays a very vital role. Education plays very vital role in shaping the future of a country in every sphere, be it technical, be it scientific, be it social, be it economic or environment. Youths are the future of a country, and empowering them with a tool like education would make any country shine in this universe. We need to learn from our history, the glorious past, which is full of courage and patriotism. And for that, we need to find some real facts of our soldiers who were like so courageous, so brave, that they did everything for this country. And we have some distorted facts about our history, so what we require, we need to find some real facts, and I think that government should also work on it. Talking about other things, they are like there should be more scientific developments and research work should be carried out, so that fields like our agriculture, the medical field, they should all flourish more. New inventions would also aid our country, hence giving more protection to our country. We should focus on such developments which could lead to feeding every individual of a country, because till now there are humongous number of population of a country that sleeps empty stomach. So it's a request from my side that next time, if any of you find that your food is not tasty, just go outside. Instead of wasting that food, go outside and find someone and feed a empty and hungry stomach. We, the youth of this country, have tremendous opportunities, and we should go to the edge of our thinking capacity. We should do things out of the box, and we should learn from some inspirational heroes of our nation, some unsung heroes of our nation, by just doing some research work, just finding it on internet, and because everything is available online nowadays, so we should go and find. Sir APJ Abdul Kalam once said that all birds find shelter during rain, but eagle avoids rain by flying above the clouds. Problems are common, but difference lies in the attitude. So attitude is what that matters. So have courage to travel unexplored paths. The more the inventions, the more will be the progress of our nation, of our Bharata, and it all lies in upgrading our skills and our knowledge that will bloom our Bharat into a developed country soon. And there's one more request, that we are the youth. So what I think, that we should serve our nation. We should we should, if we are even going to study abroad, we should come back and we should do some contribution for our country, and we should never forget our country, our mother India, because from here this is the place where we got our birth. So we need to do contribution to make our country into a developed nation and to flourish it more, to make it more glorious. And in the end, I would like to end by the lines of Ravindranath Tagore ji, that is, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my father, let my country awake. So, a very happy Independence Day once again, and thank you so much.